Your mind, a battlefield where dreams clash with doubts, where every negative thought whispers, "You can't," while the faint voice of hope says, "Try again." But what if you could silence the noise, break free from the grip of negativity, and unlock the clarity that leads to the growth you desire? Today, let's rewrite the script of your mind and take back control. Understanding the roots of negative thinking. Negative thinking isn't just a bad habit, it's a learned response to life's challenges. It's rooted in our fears, failures, and the belief that the past defines our future. But here's the truth: your mind is programmable, and every negative thought is an opportunity to rewire your thinking. 1. The power of self-awareness. Before you can change your mindset, you must recognize your patterns. What triggers your negativity? Journaling or reflecting daily can help you see the thoughts that dominate your mind. 2. Shift focus with gratitude. Negativity blinds you to the blessings around you. Start each day listing 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus and retrains your brain to see abundance, not lack. 3. Practice mindfulness. Your mind is like water. When it's agitated, you can't see clearly. Practicing mindfulness, even for 5 minutes a day, calms the chaos and brings clarity. 4. Combat negative thoughts with affirmations. Replace "I can't" with "I am capable." Positive affirmations are not just words, they are commands to your subconscious to act differently. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If they uplift you, your mindset will follow suit. If not, it's time to re-evaluate your circle. 6. Turn failures into feedback. Failure is a stepping stone, not a stop sign. Each setback teaches you something you need to know for your next success. 7. Limit consumption of negativity. Be mindful of what you feed your mind. Social media and news can amplify fears. Curate your feed to include content that inspires growth and positivity. 8. Visualize your best self. Visualization isn't daydreaming, it's training your brain for success. Spend 5 minutes daily picturing yourself achieving your goals. 9. Take action. Thinking alone won't change your life, action will. Break tasks into small steps and tackle them one at a time. Momentum beats procrastination. 10. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. Celebrate your small wins. They remind you of how far you've come and keep you motivated. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Don't let negativity hold you hostage. Clear your mind, embrace positivity, and take the first step towards the growth you desire. Remember, the only limits are the ones you place on yourself.